Hello out there, my name is Milesy, and you might be wondering why we're looking at a blank screen today. It's because I've got more neon floss. The thing kind of fell apart when I was taking it out of the package. This time, we'll just go ahead and look at this. We have got Darice Needlecraft Supplies 6-strand neon floss, 24 pieces. It does look like there are some duplicates in there though. It does say it's for stitching, friendship bracelets, keychains, so I expect it to be kind of on the same level as the other stuff. I know this is hard to read, but it's 100% polyester. So I have been really liking the polyester floss I've been getting lately. So let's go ahead and take a look at it out of the crinkly ass bag. And yeah, in my hand, it's nice and soft. These are really nice bright colors. Let's go ahead and see if we can organize these out. So there's one color of yellow. There's one purple, which never really seems too bright. I can see it a little bit against the black in person, and I guess it's kind of standing out on camera. Are these ones the same? Yep, those ones are the same, I think. So yeah, we're getting a lot of really nice variation here. Here's like a nice, very light yellow. And a really nice bright orange. So far it looks like a lot of this stuff kind of seems similar under the natural light, but no, that might be 4 skeins of that. Okay, so it looks like we've got 2 skeins of most stuff, but that seems like that's the same shade of green to me anyway. Those are the same shade of pink, I think. It's kind of hard to tell. Maybe. I don't know. These are either the same or they're very subtly different. I can't tell. This one's definitely darker. I don't know how well you can see that. Let's put it over here. Kind of squeeze these together a bit, try to get them all on frame. And then we've got these darker oranges, which may be the same as well. Yeah, they look the same. So it looks like we've got 4 of the orange, 4 of the pink, 4 of the green, and then everything else. These are definitely different to that, and that's absolutely different. And this is more of a red than a pink. Like, I think you can see on camera how much darker it is. I get it's not really dark, but you know, it's a darker shade of pink. And then the purple, I am curious to see how that purple looks under the other light. Yeah, kind of the same as last time. Everything else really glows under my awesome UV light, and the others, and the purple just kind of sits there. So there we go. I've mentioned before that I have got a project coming up, so I am going to be taking all of these together and cataloging them, organizing them by color or whatever, trying to see what I can do. But I want to show you some of what I did with the last floss that I got. Here's a little wolf patch that I did. I might have shown you guys a little bit of this before I finished it, but this was a mix of what I already had and some of the new stuff, and you can just see how bright and vibrant those colors are under the black light once it's been used. So I'm super looking forward to getting on with this. I'm going to catalog these, come up with my own number system, since these don't have anything to set them apart, so that's going to be fun. I have got 2 more brands of this coming up, and then I'm going to do something really awesome. I just want to make sure I have the best range of color possible. But yeah, there we go. Neon Floss. I'm really starting to love Neon Floss. I also do have some other stuff. Let me see if I can reach it. That I didn't think warranted its own unboxing video. That might have been a mistake. Oh well. But I want to show you anyway. Trying to reach it all over here. There we go. I picked up these spools of different colors of glow in the dark. And this one is green. It's kind of hard to tell. So that one's green. This one is blue. Yeah, you can see that one looks blue. This one is white, but as soon as I put it under the light, it's also fraying everywhere. It's going to look green, but that one's white. Actually, under the black light, it does look white, so cool, but it glows bright green. And then I've got this pink, which is a really nice pink. And I've got this yellow, which, as you can see, the yellow doesn't glow, which is really, really annoying. Super duper annoying. Because when I opened this, I saw the yellow and I was like, I have been cheated. That's not neon. But I want to show you that when I do this, you can see how super bright they get under this. And if I come in here and charge that with the UV light, you can start to see the little glow crystals. And it's not going to glow properly over here because of everything else, but this does glow. It's just not neon. It's really freaking weird. So I now have new colors of glow in the dark. Obviously, this is meant for machines, but you can use it for hand embroidery as well, just as easily. It's just packaged differently, so I'm looking forward to finding a use for these as well. I've done a little bit of playing with them, but nothing too permanent, just because I've had so many other things going on. I'll put a link for both of these down in the description. I've been super getting into neon and glow-in-the-dark stuff lately, as you guys will probably see going forward. But there we go. These didn't have a name at all. They were just some random thing that I googled. They were less than $20. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but it was under 20. So these were pretty affordable. There were some that were really expensive and didn't even come in the full variety of colors. So that's nice. I just wish the yellow was neon, but it glows, so oh well, I guess. But there we go. This is the Darice line of neon flosses. Really pleased with these. Really can't wait to start getting all these cataloged and figure out what's going on with them. But yeah, there we go. I hope you guys are liking these as much as I am. I'm freaking loving neon flosses, and you can see just by the black light, they are super duper neon. So that's always really nice. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.